Hi kids! In this video, we will learn egg family words like beg, leg, keg, peg and more. Let's read, spell, and say them together. Let's start. A G egg B egg B A G beg beg. Let's repeat it again. Beg. A G egg la egg la A G leg leg. Let's repeat it again. Leg. A G egg K egg K A G keg keg. Let's repeat it again. Keg. A G egg P egg P A G peg peg. Let's repeat it again. Peg. Thank you for watching. Subscribe for more videos.